Hello everyone, if you're playing Hytale and you keep getting this problem, Hytale has crashed with their arithmetic operation resulted in an overflow, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So first off, you're going to open up the Hytale launcher. So just open it up, and once you're in the Hytale launcher, now what you're going to do is you're going to click onto this settings icon at the top left corner of the page, and in that you're going to go into uninstall then, and once you click onto uninstall, you'll have an option that will say reset game settings. So you're just going to click onto reset game settings. Once you click onto that, then it will reset your game. Don't worry, it won't reset your worlds, it will just reset your game settings. And once it does that, now you can restart your game. So just close out Hytale and then open it up again, and now try to play the game, and you'll see that you will not get that Hytale has crashed error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.